Hey everybody, welcome back. Glad you're here. Today we are going to be talking about literally transforming the skin on your hands. So if it's aging skin issues or dryness or skin picking or nail biting or even severe dryness and peeling, I have answers for you on all of this in today's video. Our hands are probably the area of the body that get the most abuse, probably next to the feet. When you think about it, hands are exposed. We have to wash them a lot. And in fact, this video idea came about because a lot of my friends in the service industry and the medical professional industry introduced me to a treatment that can actually make a huge difference. Now, this is not the first hand skin care video I've ever done. There are a lot of great products out on the market, but if you're really looking to transform your skin on your hands or to heal the skin on your hands and begin that process in as little as 20 minutes, then this is really going to be exciting news for you. They introduced me to a product, this one called Zenova. It is a trio treatment hand mask, and I'm going to demonstrate it in today's video so I get to enjoy the benefits of what this mask can do, but I can also show you guys the benefits of what the mask can actually do for your hands. And because it's me and I'm a skincare expert, and on this channel we talk about effectiveness of ingredients over brand name and price, we're going to talk about what's in this briefly, and then I'm going to show you how to use this product. What's super beneficial to the skin on your hands in the ingredient list of this product is vitamin C. As we know, it's an antioxidant. It helps stop oxidation of the skin cells. It's also very healing and helps your skin protect itself from damage of the sun. Also, vitamin E, which helps your skin produce healthier cells and also helps your skin repair damaged cells. And they've included hyaluronic acid, a very important salt molecule that is in your skin already, but as you can imagine, not much of it in your hands. And that very important molecule brings and holds moisture into the upper layers of the skin, trapping it and attracting moisture from the air up to 1,000 times its molecular weight. And they've also included collagen in this formulation, which is very, very moisturizing to the surface of the skin. Now, this is not collagen that's going to sink into the skin and rebuild collagen under the layers of the skin. That's another video for another time. In fact, I have several of those. But what collagen as a topical does is to help re-moisturize and reset the structure of the upper layers of your skin, making it much plumper, much more youthful looking, and it's also beneficial in the healing of those dry, peeling areas that people with severe dryness on their hands get. So it's going to help to rejuvenate your hands from several different aspects, obviously helping with aging skin issues, but again, with nail biting, skin picking, that deep peeling that sometimes happens around the cuticle and the fingernails, this product actually works. Now, my hands are in pretty good shape, especially for my age. Most of you already know I'm 60, and keeping the skin on my hands hydrated and healthy looking has been a priority of mine for many, many years, and it's paid off. However, even for me, a product like this is super beneficial. It's very easy to use. You just tear the top off and pull out these gloves. They look just like this, and I'm going to slide them onto my hands and leave them on for 20 minutes. Now, I'm not going to keep the video running for 20 minutes. I will speed up the time process so that we can get right to the benefits. And you guys will be able to see the difference yourself that they even made for me. So I'm going to take my watch off. We're going to do a close-up of my hands. They look pretty good, but let's slide them into these gloves. So both hands are in the gloves now. I'm going to kind of massage in the serum that's inside to get the most benefit, make sure it's into my cuticles, my nails. And then I have to wait 25 minutes, but you don't, so I'll be right back. All right, so it's been 25 minutes. I'm going to pull these off, and I'm going to massage in the serum. Now, it's not going to absorb all the way, so you're going to have to dab it off with a towel. A hand towel is what I'm using here, obviously. So let's take a close look at my skin, and you can see how plump and dewy and moisturized it is. In fact, all those little fine lines and wrinkles that I have around my knuckles and on my fingers are completely gone right now. I can tell you the effect will last all day. I like to follow up with a good hand cream and of course sunscreen to protect my hands from the damaging effects of the sun. But bottom line, if you're suffering with aging skin issues on your hands, dryness, peeling, picking, nail biting, this particular product, this particular blend of ingredients can make a really, really big difference in getting your hands back to their healthy state in 25 minutes. Now, of course, I will put a link down below in the video description box for this product. You can go check it out on their website. If you're having hand skin issues and you decide to try this, please come back and let us know in the comments how it worked for you. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video coming up next. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I appreciate it beyond measure. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video. This stuff is amazing.